Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change country or region on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to change your country or region on the App Store on iPhone iOS 26, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings here. And here you have to click on general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now, if you want to change the country or region, then there are two methods available. The first method is as that you have to simply open the App Store here. So after opening the App Store, you have to simply click on that profile section here, and you have to simply click on that name or Apple ID here. And after that, you will find a new kind of interface where you have to provide your face ID. And here you can simply find your country or region. You have to simply click on that. And after that, you have to simply select a country you want to change. For example, if you want to change your country or region to United States, then you have to simply select that country. And after that, you have to simply click on agree the terms and conditions. So you have to simply click on continue and you have to wait for some time. After that, you have to click on agree terms and conditions. And after clicking on done, you have to simply click on again. And here you have to simply provide your payment method. And here you have to simply click on payment method done. And after that, verification, your country or region will be changed to that country. So in this way, you can simply change the country or region. Now, if you want to change the country or region from other method, which is as simple as this method, so you have to simply close this page, and here you have to simply go to settings, and you have to click on name and Apple ID here. And here you have to click on media and purchases, and you have to simply click on that, and you have to click on view account. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that the same kind of interface is available where you can simply find payment methods, country or region, and after that you can simply select country or region you want to change, and you can simply select country, and after the verification, your country or region will be changed. So in this way, you can simply change country or region. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.